Say hi to the team. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
What do you like so far?
Going outside.
This view that you and I gonna have?
I like going to get.
We're here at 7218, which is on the 7th floor. As soon as you walk in here, let's see if we got everything. You put your card in here so that the lights turn on. This is a balcony room. So to our right, we have the closet doors. There's a lot of closet space. There's a lot of closets. And you get a full-length mirror to see exactly how you look, which is awesome. Another closet. Perfect. And you also get a safe as well. We requested our water to come into our room, so we're excited about that. You get a phone right here, and your places where you need to charge your phone over here. This is our queen size bed. Look at that, my son and my name is here because they think we're in the same room. Welcome Nathan and Chanel. Love it. Over here we have a bed. I'm not sure if this is a pull-out bed, so I'm gonna test this out later to see if it is or not. Let's go into the bathroom.
For you guys, and you can like wash your hands after.
That is true.
So we're all gonna share this room. No, this is.